Hey guys, it's Kayla625, my first ever video on my channel. My channel is going to be basically slime and squishies, so yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. So today I'm going to be reviewing slimes from my school that my friends gave me, all in this bag. It's either from the same people or different people, so let's get to it. So I'm just going to put my arm in this bag and hopefully I get a good slime. I'm going to be reviewing the slime I pick. Camera needs to focus. Okay. So. Okay, first slime is this slime. It's in a big container. It's all the way down to here. It looks brown kind of, but it's the purple. It's called Noise Putty. So, yeah. I'm gonna put the camera down so you can see it more. So, here's the slime. It's just like a purplish color. It's stretchy. You can see. That's really stretchy. The scent doesn't really smell good. Make it like that. Poke test. Good pokes. So I'm gonna rate this slime a 9 out of 10 because the scent isn't really that good. So yeah, 9 out of 10 for this slime. Oh crap, guys, hold on. That's the bag back again. So take the slime. Okay. The slime we got is this blue color with a bunch of beads in it and gold stars. This is from my friend Macy. Oh yeah, this is from my friend Caitlin for $1. And I bought this for my friend Macy for $1. And I wanted a medium. So let's see how big this is. For a medium. So it came in a plastic bag. So here it is. It has a bunch of beads in it. Stretchy. Feels kind of overactivated, actually. Pretty good pokes. Nice color. And yeah. I'm going to rate this slime a 7 out of 10 because the beads are falling out and it's kind of overactivated, so yeah, 7 out of 10. So we get the bag back, so let's get another one. Okay, so here's the slime. It's this orange color and it has these pink sparkles. This was $1. I asked her for a mystery slime. Guys, look at that. She's a nice slime, okay. Slime out. So it's like this orange slime. It looks kind of glossy and has these pink sparkles in it. And it's real stretchy. it comes in a good container. Kind of rips if you stretch it. That. It smells really good. I'm gonna rate this slime a 9 out of 10 because it's kind of overactivated, but at the same time kind of not. So yeah, I think this slime is actually pretty good. Caitlin made both of these slimes for me, which were $1, so thanks Caitlin for the free containers also. Moving on to our next slime. Okay, so here's the next slime. It's in this nice container, kind of like this one, a bit smaller. And I think this is like white with pink glitter. I see some beads in there, or you could say like white foam balls. Oh, I like how this looks. Look at it. And this was from my friend Juliana. This was $1. Poke. Really stretchy. Has some good bubble poppings. And yeah. Good swirl. Pokings. Beads kind of fall out. I would give this a 9 out of 10 just because of the beads falling out. So yeah, pretty good. Nice container. Keep sliming. So guys, that's the end of this video because this is part 1. Subscribe.